Kia ora everyone, it is Bridget here, a functional nutritionist and a chef, and I have three things or three ways that you can help to naturally lower your blood glucose. Now, aside from food, which is the number one way that you can keep your blood glucose nice and stable throughout the day by eating the right foods, there are three other things that you can also use to incorporate into your day to help you to keep your blood glucose nice and low. So number one is make vegetables your best friend. So for every time you eat, you should be having some vegetables on your plate, whether it be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And what you want to do is you want to eat those vegetables first, because vegetables that are high in fiber will help your stomach to empty out slower, which will give you a less dramatic blood glucose spikes. That's number one. Number two is, this is what I like to do, is after my largest meal of the day, which is usually my lunch meal, I like to go for a bit of a walk. Now, when you go for a walk or do some type of brisk exercise that causes you to lose your breath, what will happen is you will force your body to use the glucose that's floating around in your blood, which will help to naturally lower your blood glucose. And the third thing that I suggest you do is every time you eat, try and get a little bit of vinegar into your meal, whether it be some apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. I like to make little apple cider vinegar lollies, which I have with every meal as well. Having vinegar with every meal, again, will help to naturally lower your blood glucose response.